Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious foie gras mousse, step by step. First, ensure you select the freshest, highest quality foie gras available. Look for firm texture and a creamy color. Next, gather your supporting ingredients: rich butter, heavy cream, and your preferred seasonings. Finally, prepare your kitchen tools, including a reliable food processor and a fine mesh sieve, which are crucial for achieving that perfect, smooth consistency. Now, let's move to the cooking process. Gently sear your prepared foie gras in a hot pan until it develops a beautiful golden brown crust on all sides. This step renders some of the fat and builds flavor. After searing, deglaze the pan with a splash of port wine or brandy, scraping up all those flavorful bits. Then, combine the cooked foie gras with warm cream and softened butter in a food processor, blending until perfectly smooth. Achieving the right flavor balance is key. Carefully season your blended mousse with fine sea salt, freshly ground white pepper, and a delicate pinch of nutmeg. Taste and adjust as needed. For an incredibly silky texture, press the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve using a spatula. This removes any small imperfections. Finally, transfer the mousse to a terrine or ramekins and chill it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to fully set and firm up. Your exquisite foie gras mousse is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it elegantly with thinly sliced, toasted brioche or a rustic, crusty baguette. For delightful contrasts in flavor and texture, consider garnishing with a spoonful of sweet fig jam, tangy cornichons, or a simple sprinkle of flaky sea salt. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.